Welcome to 421 Craftsbury Road in beautiful Craftsbury, Vermont. We are the Trombley Day Group. I'm Denise Trombley.
And I'm Dodie Day. This is a former Governor Graham's mansion, built in the 1900s. It's on 5.5 beautiful, spectacular acres, featuring mature maples and apple trees.
The original staircase is beautiful, detailed, and ornate. It has custom woodwork throughout with pocket doors consisting of bird's eye maple.
We have a formal dining room and 2 parlors.
And what we think is really special about this property is the woodwork throughout. None of it has seemed to have been touched in its original state. This property is just ready for you to come in and finish bringing it back to its original glory.
We're looking forward to hearing from you and being able to give you a tour.